love eating out. In London, there are lots of different restaurants: Indian, Thai, Italian. My favorite restaurant is Abu Zaad. It has fantastic Syrian food. What's your favorite kind of food?
My favorite food is Chinese food.
My favorite kind of food, probably Italian.
I like Italian food. Any kind of pasta thing is really good.
Japanese and Asian food is what I like most, yes.
Quite like sushi because it's quite healthy, and also there's a lot of really good sushi restaurants near where I work.
Thai food. I really enjoy Thai food or Eastern food, Chinese, Indian, that type of thing.
Italian.
My favorite kind of food is potatoes and chicken.
Well, I'm a vegetarian, so I like vegetarian curries, vegetable lasagna, that kind of thing.
Hungarian or Estonian dishes that just warm you up and make you feel good.
Middle Eastern. Actually, it's Syrian or Lebanese.
Thai food. I love Thai food. Vietnamese food, actually. Yeah.
I love British roast dinners, Yorkshire puddings and gravy and roast potatoes.
I think Colombian food is my favorite food.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is noodles.
Schnitzel. It's a Hungarian dish when they do it with orange potatoes and carrot and apple salad.
Vegetable curry, I'd say.
My favorite dish is a traditional Colombian dish made of rice and beans.
Spaghetti bolognese. Probably lasagna. Lots of cheese on top.
Fanatical about puddings. Very heavy puddings, sponge puddings, custards, sweets, creams, cakes.
What's your favorite place to eat?
I don't really have a favorite place to eat because I'd rather eat at home, as I enjoy cooking as well.
There's a little cafe just by our flat that we can go and we know the staff there.
My favorite restaurants are the small, intimate ones where you can see the chef preparing the meal and there aren't too many people in there and it's just nice, with a nice atmosphere and everything.
A restaurant called Abu Zaad in Shepherd's Bush here in London.
We have a restaurant called John Dory's in our area, and I like eating there.
There is a little bar just where I live, which is called the Garden Ladder. And the reason I like it is because it feels like somebody else's living room.
There's a Colombian restaurant in London where I go once every month or every 2 months. I enjoy it very much.
There's a really lovely restaurant very close to where I work. It's called Tsuri, and that's, I think that's my favourite place.
There's a little restaurant in Longford, the Aubergine. It's really nice. It does lots of vegetarian food and it's really nice. Lots of really nice desserts.